high pressure water stream that goes into your mouth. I'm gonna show you how to use it. I don't have water in it right now, but what you would do is you would turn it on and it kind of makes this like zzz, buzzing noise. And then you go through your mouth and you just go along your gum line and it flosses for you by shooting the water in there. And it ends up giving you a really, really good floss. So actually some dentists say that it's better than flossing. So you have multiple different connections that you can put on. So these come off. There's different ones and you're gonna get all of them. There's even like a toothbrushing. This one's like kind of more for like gum massaging, I think. Just different little connections. I tend to leave mine in there for storage, and then there's also an area over here where you can put more of them. So what you end up doing is you fill this up with water. You would take those out, and then you're gonna put this dial to the speed that you want it on. So if you have like super healthy gums, you might be able to crank this thing up to a 10 and really shoot that water in there. If your gums tend to bleed, you might want to start out at a lower speed. And then there's a floss and massage function. So start out slow, work your way up. You're gonna see that your gums are gonna start improving, and it's really easy. So I will do warm water. You could do it with cold water. Sometimes I'll do half mouthwash, half water as well if I want like that real deep clean. This cord can go pretty far, and then it all wraps up nicely. Everything can sit really nicely on your countertop so it doesn't look messy. It doesn't take up a ton of space either if you want to have this out by your toothbrush.